Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest in tech accessories and gadgets. Today, we're taking a close look at the HMLXSH 2-pack charger cables, designed specifically for Shokz headphones. If you're a user of Shokz Aeropex, Open Run Mini, Open Run Pro, Open Com bone conduction headphones, or similar models, this product might just be what you need to keep your headphones powered up wherever you go. Right off the bat, one of the standout features of this product is its wide compatibility. These cables are designed to work seamlessly with a range of Shokz models. That makes them incredibly versatile, meaning you won't have to worry about whether they will fit your headphones. Now, let's talk about functionality. The set comes with two magnetic charging cables, each 3.3 inches long. One cable features a standard USB port while the other comes with a USB-C port. This allows you to charge your headphones from multiple sources including laptops, desktops, power banks, car adapters, and any USB or USB-C enabled device. This is particularly useful if you're traveling or just want a backup charging option at home or at the office. The design of these cables focuses on durability and portability. They are constructed with high-quality ABS and PVC materials along with copper wires, which ensures stable current transmission and reliability during use. The material is soft yet strong, so the cables resist breaking or fraying even when twisted or bent. Their compact size and lightweight build make them extremely travel-friendly. So storing them in a bag or keeping them in the car is no hassle at all. Another practical advantage is that the cables are magnetic, which makes connecting your headphones effortless. The magnetic connection snaps into place quickly and ensures a stable charge every time. You don't have to fumble with the connector, and it reduces wear on your headphones charging port over time. This package contains two charging cables, giving you one extra cable as a spare. One has a traditional USB port, the other has a USB-C port. This setup covers nearly all modern charging needs, whether you're charging from a computer, wall adapter, or portable power bank. It's a small but thoughtful touch that adds convenience to your daily routine. In terms of build and aesthetics, the cables come in sleek black, which looks clean and professional. They're compact yet solid, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The combination of portability, quality materials, and multi-device compatibility makes these cables a practical accessory for anyone who owns Shokz headphones. Overall, the HMLXSH 2-pack charger cables are a reliable and convenient solution for keeping your Shokz headphones charged. With magnetic connectors, versatile USB and USB-C options, durable construction, and compact design, they cover all the essentials you need in a replacement or spare charging cable. That's it for this review on Product Critique. If you're looking for a durable, travel-friendly, and versatile charging solution for your Shokz headphones, these cables are worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more detailed product reviews. See you in the next video.